done my homework.
That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single. And he likes rock music.
It's my brother Eddie. He's a doctor, he got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No.
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 4 kids. 5 kids?
No kids. Only 8 more. Here's an extra one.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. No, pay
Why do you have
attention.
such a large family?
It's not that
Not
much.
that large. You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that's a large family.
They're not all over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I'm just want them to make you. Calm down. It's okay. You are fine.
Okay. I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Oh! Thank you for listening.